And Commissioners, the first item on your agenda is public comment.
Okay, this is the first time set aside for public comment. Anybody wishing to speak on public comment, please come forward, state and spell your name for the record. Good morning, Mr. Sampson.
Good morning, Madam Chair and County Commissioners. Steve Sampson, President of Veterans in Politics International. December 21, 2015, Mathew Harter, Clark County District Court Judge, Family Division, and his wife, Brandy P. Harter, filed for Chapter 7 bankruptcy in U.S. District Court, Las Vegas, case number 15-17012-LEB. Harter submitted a fraudulent income statement to the bankruptcy court, falsely declaring an income of zero. According to Transparent Nevada, Judge Harter made $241,860.35 with benefits during that same year. Harter committed perjury in his income statement to the bankruptcy court, lying about his monthly income. Harter failed to disclose to the U.S. trustee that he came into possession of a single-family home worth $330,000. The property was quitclaimed to him and his wife in January 2016, signed by Michael L. Bolton, who happens to be a friend of Harter. The document was also notarized by the Nevada State Notary on 1/23/2016. Harter committed mortgage fraud on a VA home loan. Judge Harter's bankruptcy was discharged in March 2016. He then recorded the property in May 2016. Harter failed to file his financial disclosure for 2016. Harter committed bankruptcy fraud in plain view of the general public and under the nose of the federal judge. We reported this incident to the U.S. trustee. Nothing was done. We reported this incident to the Nevada Judicial Discipline Commission. They wrote back and said that the statute of limitations has expired, but there's a 5-year statute of limitation clause on BKs. We reported this incident to the Nevada Attorney General's office. They sent back a response dismissing our request for an investigation. On April 5th, 2021, a federal lawsuit was filed against Family Court Judge Mathew Harter. The lawsuit alleges that Harter committed bankruptcy fraud, perjury, concealment of assets, and because of these crimes, Harter's mere presence on the bench offends the traditional notion of a fair judiciary, which violates plaintiffs' 14th Amendment rights. The Nevada Attorney General's office is now defending Judge Harter in the federal lawsuit. Why, we ask? Judge Harter's crimes was done off the bench, so why is the AG's office his legal counsel? In addition, we already conflicted out the AG's office by reporting the same incident to them for an investigation. Is Judge Harter above the law? Harter's committed these crimes while he's a sitting judge. This criminal should be removed from the bench, but instead, our government agencies that have a sworn duty to protect the public, but instead protects a criminal that continues to remain on the bench to judge Clark County residents. Let me just finish, please, Madam Chair. All of this information is located on veteransinpolitics.org. The 14th Amendment provides us with equal protection under the law. A judge is supposed to be beyond reproach. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Mr. Sampson.